Hello guys, this is Ivan here. It is Monday, new week, trading week has started. European session, morning, close to the noon. So today I will show you free strategies, free products, which I don't show so many times, and some you will find on my web page, some you will not. Two of them are very old system, maybe even 15 years ago when I started, but I made new updated versions on my way. First one is binary Comodo. If you are a long time here, you would know. It was very popular 10, 15 years ago. Version 1 or maybe 2. I made last year the latest one. It is super simple system. You don't need to know anything. Just wait for these arrows. When you see the arrow, it is you wait that the candle close. This where is the arrow, and open the trade on the next one. It can be used on all time frames from M5 up. So this is for scalping, for long-term trading, for everything. Binary Comodo. Then we have one of the famous systems 10 years ago, about 10 years or 15 years or 7 years even. After version 1, 2, 3, I think there is no, for a long time, a new version made. So at the beginning this year I made a new version. You see the similar how to use it. When you see the arrow, you enter the trade at the next candle. So this is second one, and this is my own system, Forex 100 pips daily. I will explain why daily. So this is the systems in which I want to occur that we can make easily every day 100 pips. And I think it is the goal of most of our traders. Let's make 100 pips a day. If you trade, for example, with 1 pip, with 1 lot size, this is 1,000 a day. 1,000 a day, it is fantastic. In my country, $1,000 is a salary, average salary. So one day to make your monthly pay, it is fantastic. So I will keep your attention a little bit here. This is one confirmation system, one-step confirmation. Also, you can use it from M5 up. This is on 4 hour, for example. So when you get arrow, this is not in painted arrows. You don't blindly enter the trade. You need to have confirmation with trend strength indicator. So this is showing the trend now, not here, only here. So if we now had a signal, it will be okay. But what are the rules, what I prefer? So it is up to you. When you see the arrow, you need this in green, up. In my opinion, 50% is minimum strength that you will enter the trade. 50%. So Here, if you enter the trade, you see on 4 hour you will make 100 pips in one candle. So this is the advantage of higher time frame. You don't need to wait 10 candles or 5 candles to make your 100 pips daily. Only one is enough on 4 hour. So arrow here, sell trade, you will need 50% or higher strength. Even it is your decision. Maybe you don't want to take a trade, let's say, without 70%, 80%, then you are almost absolutely safe. So this is some tips I'm telling you. Binary Reaper, binary Comodo, binary Reaper on 30 minutes, and in my opinion the best one, not repainted system, is my own system. So for example, here on 1 hour you will enter the trade, you see you will make here 70-80 pips, but in one trade. Or here you will make 100 pips. You just keep it with one pair and you make money. You see, this is fantastic system, guys. Believe me, if you want to trade manually. My preferred time frame here is 1 hour. Why? 1 hour is not too high template, too high time frame, so you can have even on each pair, I mean, even you can have a free 2, 3, 4 maybe signals, and you open 10 pairs and that's it. So you need, now we have only 4%, so we will not take a trade if we get signal for buy, for example. Also 100 pips, it is my idea. Of course that you can make more if you want, but if you make 100 pips every day or almost every day, maybe one day you will make 200 pips, 300, one day 50, but in average it is 2000 pips per month. This is $20,000 per month, very safely. Why very safely? Because, guys, this is binary Comodo, this is 100 pips again. So on 1 hour, you see, so we don't have signals here, we had it before. This is also 100 pips, binary Reaper. You see this example, gold on 30 minutes. I put 30 minutes. So here, if this is situation now, guys, here you have 58% confirmation, and you will take it, and here already you are about 130 pips. But you can keep trading more if you want to make more, 200 pips. You will keep the trading until this is over 50. This is no problem. So here, if you keep it until here, still 670 pips in one trade. If this is keeping over 50. If it's higher, it's better. You will exit if you have opposite arrow. This is the final thing, final moment when you get an opposite signal. you will exit. Let's see. You see here, if we enter here, of course we should have here 50 or higher, we'll make 100 pips even here. And your job for that day is over. But you can keep it here, here, but here you get opposite, you must exit. The final confirmation, not confirmation, warning, next opposite signal. This is gold on 30 minutes. You can use gold on 1 hour, whatever. This is gold on 1 hour with binary reaper. As I said, wait that arrow shows and close current, and here you will open the trade. Also here, the expiration is mostly, I don't know, two candles, maximum 3 candles, it is enough. Two candles, usually 3 candles sometimes. This is also good for scalping. You see this US 30 cash, you see the signal. We would never enter this because it is green, we need a red. Binary reaper, easily making money. Binary reaper. You see binary Comodo on 5 minutes. Euro index. So here you can trade everything, stocks, indices, gold, anything you like to crypto. We don't have, I think, we don't have here the broker is don't using cryptos and stocks, but nevertheless this is just examples. So you can use it on all time frames from M5 up, all assets. So one example with this is my product made last year. So here you get arrow, and if this was, you know, it was 3 days ago, GBP USD, we get signal. You see, now guys, it is on 30 minutes, but I will not wait, I will enter the trade. I will put stop loss on the nearest high, and I will put here at the latest low. So this is how it works. But let's explain again this. This is more important, because I warmly recommend this if you want to trade manually, safely, because this is not repeated arrows and you need confirmation, and you are you are never 100% safe in trading, to be clear. You never know what is happening behind the scene. Binary Comodo also made at something. You see, we should wait the close, and then we'll close of this candle, and then we'll enter the trade. Okay, let's forget this. I cannot explain this. So if here we had this in the red, 50% or higher in red for sell, I don't know, it was 3 days ago, you will enter the trade, and 100 pips you will make even here. If you keep it a little bit longer, 600 pips, or so, or here, guys. You will make your goal here. But if you will keep it, you can keep it until this is green over 50, or until the next arrow, you can make thousands of pips. So this is, believe me, product. If you are not greedy, make 100 pips. Okay, you have seen that you can make more. 100 pips is average per day. But I am satisfied. Why not to make 100? Or, you see, easily 200 or 300 pips per day. Your plan is finished, fulfilled, and you wait next day. Don't push your luck. I'm always saying like that. Make your plan. I need 100 pips or 50 pips per day. It is enough for me to make $500 per day, to make $1,000 per day, or even $100. This is yours to decide. GBP USD. This is our binary reaper. You see, it is in the money. So very easy system. You see arrow and you enter the trade. So why I'm telling you all this, guys? These systems I'm not pushing too much, and people maybe think that it is not good or something. But especially this one, this is new system. Binary Reaper and Comodo are 15 years ago, but I renew it, update it, make my own versions. But not fully mine. That's why you will not find that system on my web page. You will find only this. You see Forex 100 pips, 100 not repainted, everything. Today I am giving you 100 pips system for only 69 euro. Only 69 euro. Today. And only for my subscribers. So this you get for 69 euros. I will put it here that you see 69 euros. This is the first offer. If you want, maybe I am binary Reaper and binary Comodo. Where is binary Comodo? If you want, so free, if you want binary Comodo and binary Reaper, so free products, then all free, guys, all free you will get for 109 euro. All free. You have this down in description box. And you will get 5 licenses for each. 5 licenses for each. Usually, regularly, you get only 2. So you will get 5 licenses per each. Regular prices, if I have a binary Reaper and Comodo, maybe I have Comodo. I'm not sure, maybe we have to go to, I think that all prices, all three are the same price, 169. So altogether it will be 590 euro. No. I don't have it, I think. Maybe my admin put it down. No. We don't have it. Most of the products are here on my main page. So, one more time, 2 offers for today. all three products which I mentioned, 109, or the best in my opinion, because you have confirmation, this is Forex 100 pips. You only buy this for 69 euro. All three 109. Guys, this is if you want to trade manually, this is for you. You don't need to wait all day. You put it on 1 hour, 10 pairs, you will have at least free, at least sometimes maybe 10 signals per day. With only one you can make your own what you want. Where is, you see this is USD JPY. You see that, I don't know, you will trade here. You see you are here at 80 pips with one trade. You are here at 90 pips. So there are many possibilities here. So you can open many pairs. You see here gold. So 1-2 trade, guys, and you will make money. You will make money. US 30, not to take. Please don't be greedy. Don't trade just seeing the arrows. In most cases, just the arrow is enough, you see, to make money. Here, even here, it will go down maybe. But if you want to be perfect, confident, I mean safe, then wait for this to be confirmed. So, I don't know, let's open any other maybe to see. Let's see on 4 hour. Nothing on 4 hour. For example, 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. 15 minutes you will have many trades, but maybe you will not make 100 pips in one trade. So this is example. Let's imagine that this is now the signal. Now that this is here. And we have 64. This is enough. 60, enough. So we'll enter the trade here. And we are waiting to make, okay, this is 50-minute time frame. Here, maybe we will make 50 pips or so. You see 50 pips here. But if this, you continue, you can make 60 pips. Until this is over 50, you can keep it. Of course, with M15, you will need to have at least 2 or 3 trades to make 100 pips. But you will have many. On 15-minute time frame, you will have maybe 10 signals per day. 15. You will get 5 licenses for this 69 euro. So open 3 or 2 demo account and test. On one account, test 50-minute time frame, or another 1 hour time frame, on another 4 hour time frame. Test it for a week or 2. See what is best for you. And then go to live. You will have 5 licenses. So this is unique chance. Save 100 euro and get fantastic product. Or if you want binary Reaper and binary Comodo, then all free 109. So 20 per indicator, $20 per indicator. So I think this is a fantastic product. I didn't promoting this too much, but really, guys, I think it is something that you cannot miss. I explain all time frames from M5 up, all assets. Don't be greedy, make 100 pips. Or maybe you have your own goal, make maybe 200 pips or 50 pips. 50 pips you will make easily, even with 1 or 2 trades on 15 minutes. On 1 hour time frame, then you can make even in one trade everything, especially on 4 hour. Let's see what will be here on 4 hour. For example, if do we have something? Not now, not many trades. You see, this is a daily. Of course, this you will not take without confirmation. This not. But you see, latest one, 10 days ago. If you have 50%, you need only one candle to make 100 pips. If you keep it more, 200 pips. So on higher time frame like daily, 4 hour, one candle is enough. But guys, don't trade without confirmations. You see, you must have confirmation. I prefer higher time frame. I don't want to make 10 trades on 5 minutes or 3 on 15, or I will take this one, and I'm with one candles I made my day, my goal, 170, 200. Or 4 hour. 4 hour is also okay. You see, here if you have more than 50, this is not enough. 50s. Even sometimes I'm very, let's say, serious. I want to be very sure. I'm even waiting here to be 70, 75. Without that, sometimes I don't need, maybe I already made 100 pips. So after I'm just taking super safe, strong trend confirmed entries. So here, minimum 50, you will enter 100 pips, it is here. You see, after 2. Here you are already on 200, 300. And if you are a little bit risky, don't close the trade until this is 50 or higher. Then you are pretty safe. 50 or higher, keep it, keep it, keep it. You see, 54, we can keep this trade. If we entered here, we can keep it more. So guys, or at latest when you get opposite arrow. So guys, it is all for today. Sorry for a long video. I just want to help you. This is for the people that want to make in average 100 pips daily and make a safe profit with this software, with this strategy. Follow my instructions. I guarantee you will make money. I guarantee. 69 euro only today. Have a nice day, guys. My email is below, and promo code, send me promo code for this, because I am receiving many emails. So if I see promo code, I know that it is about this promo. 69 only for this, or 109 for plus binary Reaper and binary Comodo. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.